beautiful beach day. Yep. Same old, same old. And I just created a new channel. It's called Eggman and Fatso. Make sure to check that out. Yeah, just another normal day. Whitetails? Yeah, it's good. I need to break off from making inventions. You haven't made one. In my imagination. Okay. What? Yeah, nothing could possibly go. What the heck is that? It's a dog. Hello, Papa. Hey, yo, that's sus. Get back into the water where you belong. That didn't make it water, but hey, it's still gone. Knuckles, why did you... Whatever. Well, yeah. Stuff.